Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal July of 2025. Let's grab our junk journals and sit down at our workplace or workspace and get creative for day 14 of Junk Journal July 2025. And today's prompt is desk setup and /workspace. So let's dive in today's session and create a little spread designated to our creative space. I always think it's so much fun to just get inspired what is around you, and so I decided to include this prompt into our prompt list for 2025 because I regularly create little drawings of my workspace to just capture how it was looking at that moment and time. And here I just decided to now make a junk journal spread designated to my creative space here. I decided to start with the label for today, where I typed out day 14 and the prompt, and then I decided to grab this wooden figure sketching help figure. I don't know how you call those wooden dolls, but they are something to help you sketch and help you study proportions and different kind of movements and positions for the human body. And I really thought it would be fun to sketch out him or her, sketch out the doll and include in today's spread. So that's what we start with for today. How's your day going so far? How is your Junk Journal July going? What was your idea for today's prompt of desk and work space? For me, I decided to just create a spread designated to my creative safe space. That is my desk. Now let's cut out the figure drawing and get out some more materials and paper and things to start with today's collage. I did include some old music sheets and as well as a bunch of little stickers. I did go through my stash to find some that would fit the theme for today's journal spread, and I found this little kind of paperclip looking one that would fit the stationery theme in a way. And I did also place a big order of stationery today, and I can't wait to get that in. I will definitely film a haul video about that coming hopefully very, very soon. As soon as I get everything, I will film an unboxing and haul video about the new things to play with in my journal. Here I decided to rip out some of those music sheets to include as today's header. Before adding some post-it notes I had laying on my desk here, I just try to incorporate a bunch of stuff that is laying around here anyways, and see where this will take me for today's spread. Now let's add some more of the things that are on my desk for this spread by drawing my little mason. It's not a mason jar, it's a, I don't know, knockoff of a mason or of something like a mason jar, but the little glass jar where I store all my pens and my brushes in, and I just decided to make a little illustration of that on top of the book page and the different post-it notes. I don't know, I feel like it adds so much character to a drawing if you have different kind of backgrounds for the drawing. And here I'm just sketching it with a pencil first, and then after a while I realized like it's not really visible, it's not coming through, so I did go back in with a fine liner later on to add some more darker lines to the little illustrations. And I'm really happy with how today's spread turned out. It was so much fun. Here I'm just starting to add some black lines to the illustration to make it more pop off the page. Now let's add some writing to the spread to pull everything together in a way, and I decided to include the big bold letters for creating my creative safe space and include that onto the spread. And I also just did again a bit of a mixed match of the different papers, so that I did the creative on top of some transparent paper here, and did create the bigger safe space writing on the music sheets. And I'm really happy with how this big collage, all the little bit and bobs on this spread came together, and I think it turned out so cute. So I'm really happy with how today's spread turned out. It might be my favorite so far, but I feel like at the moment I am having a bit of a good groove. The videos come a little late, I'm sorry about that, but in the creative process I'm really having so much fun with the Junk Journal July, and watching all your beautiful creations as well gives me so much inspiration. It's so good to see us all coming up with different things and ideas for the daily prompts. Now let's just add our little labels for the day, and then we can call this spread done. I'm so happy with how this one turned out. It's such a nice, fun combination of quotes, drawings and collage in a way. So I'm really happy with how this spread turned out. I hope you are also really happy with how your day 14 turned out in your junk journal, or if you are just watching for some inspiration and creative fun. I hope you had a blast with our creative session together. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey and many more creative adventures to come besides Junk Journal July, hit the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any future creative videos. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.